folks, and welcome back to another episode of Tag Along with Chet. It's another wonderful day today, and I'm going to pick up my grandson. He's up in Calgary, and I think on the way back from Calgary, I'm going to have my wife drop him off at High River Airport, and I'm going to just pick him up from there. She happens to be in Calgary anyway on her way back, and she was going to pick him up at the house. And so anyway, I thought I'd give the young pilot-to-be a chance to come back home with me instead of driving. So we'll see you up there. How's that look? A little bit better? Oh, this mess of hair all around. Jeez, I need it cut. Anyway, just phoned up the wife. She's picking up the grandson, and they'll be over here, in quite a while, another hour or so at least. But anyway, at least I'm here, and the only thing that's bad about it is, well, it's only a 15-20 minute flight, but his headset, I just noticed it's not in the plane, and it's probably laying out in the workbench somewhere. I think it broke. So I'm going to have to get him another one. So anyway, I don't think he's going to be too worried about it. So we'll just wait for him here until he gets here. Talk to you then. Well, we got Ben. Ben showed up here. He was just dropped off by my better half here. And there's Ben. He's squinting in the sun. But anyway, we're going to head off to Vulcan, and Ben's going to do the flying, but he says he has a problem with it because he doesn't know how to take off. I think he knows how to land. Do you know how to land, Ben?
No.
You don't know? Well, man, I thought I was going to have a nice snooze out in the back seat out here. No? No, I guess not. All right. Okay, so we're going to start her up, folks, and we'll get in the air. So we're fueling the airplane, and Ben over here, come here, Ben. Ben said that, where are you? There you are. Ben said he was going to pay for this.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I heard you distinctly.
I didn't say I was going to pay for it.
Oh, you said that you were going to be, because I was going to take you flying, you were going to pay the bill. Because you got lots of money. I hear you bought a kayak. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That was 400 and some odd, almost 400 bucks, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So Ben, here we are in High River. No. Are we in High River? Well, where the heck are we? Vulcan? Is this Vulcan? I guess we must be home then. Okay. There we go. So we'll park this there. All set. You want to roll up the thing there? Go ahead. Come on. Where's your muscles? Come on, we'll sit on the paper. Now. And that thing goes in there, the nozzle. Okay, now comes the bit where you have to do all this figuring out of how much it's going to cost me. So we have a thing out here in Vulcan where if you're a member of a club, we get it for a special rate, so, which is really cool. Isn't that right, Ben?
Yeah.
So how much does it cost per liter, Ben?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, jeez. But you're paying, right?
No.
You got a credit card?
No, I don't.
No? Oh. Okay, it looks like I'm stuck with the bill.